Hello guys, so I will just need to take that cladding out quickly and prepare it for external wall insulation. Ay, 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 ay. Working boots always helps. Okay, boys and girls, so we just finished with all our rip out. So I have taken all that timber out and I'm going to replace it with some OSB over there. But before I'm going to put the OSB, just going to put another layer of insulation on top of the existing one, and I'm going to use this foil here, which has around 17 different layers, and that is going to help a little bit with the draft and heat loss of this house. So without any further ado, let's just start and crack on with the job. So I think I just got my back scratched. I needed that. Okay, so I believe our spaceship is ready, so we can go on Mars and live there for a very long time. Okay, so right now we just need to measure, cut and screw the board on. I already have taken some measurements. And done with that. Phew. Okay guys, so I just finished with the boarding and all my fixings. Now I will just have to put the mesh on and put my first coat of adhesive on. You can see it here, all was done. So yeah, right now we just need to carry on. Outside is very hot this time, but we need to finish this job quick because the next one is coming up soon. Okay, so right now we are going to quickly jump on it, even if outside it's very hot, but we need to finish this job here. So we are just going to carry on with our mesh. You have it here. So all that mesh needs to be on that wall. So let's just jump and do that. Oh man, I almost forgot. Before putting the mesh, we need to fill all these fixings out. So we need to fill those. We cannot just leave them like that, because then our render is not going to look very nice. So we just have to jump on that at the moment. Okay, so now we are ready for the mesh. So let's put it. Okay guys, so our corner beads are on, the mesh is on. Now we just need to put some adhesive on top and reinforce everything. I already prepared some adhesive and I put some sheets of plastic on the floor because we want to protect everything. I want to protect everything and make sure I'm not going to stain all this floor here, all this patio. So let's just start and crack on with this job. As you can see, I already started to do a bit, but just because I had some more material, I didn't want it to go to waste, and I just put it on the wall. But I'm going to add a little bit more when I'm going to start to do this coat here. So I'm just going to put another one on. Okay, all done and ready for the primer, but first I will have to clean all this mess out. That is a lot. Okay, so let's start. I will do that quickly and then we are going to start with the primer. Of course, as soon as it's going to get dry. Okay guys, so I just reached the point that I will have to put my final coat, the top coat, all over this wall. I already done all the reveals, which are taking usually a long time. So now I'm just going to start from that side, going down, doing everything and just going on that side. Only problem is today it's around 30 degrees and I'm not going to have a lot of opening time for this before it's going to set up. It's a silicone render and it's setting up very quickly, so I will have to be very fast. So let's just start and do this. Okay, so it wasn't that bad. Now we just need to smooth it up and we are almost done. So let's go on the last push. Oh man, it's too hot today. Too hot. But we finished with our render. So there are some small bits and pieces to do, like touching up. And we are done. Of course we are still, so I will still need to put a plastic bead on top, so it will be all protected from the rain. And a little bit of cleaning and we finished with our job. So yeah, at the moment I'm just going to take these off. Okay guys, so we just finished with our wall. Everything now it's done and our video is going to end here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.